The auxiliary heater enables you to reach the set temperature in your car remotely using the My Škoda app. In the bottom menu bar, click on Home and then open the auxiliary heater tile. If you want to start heating or ventilation right away, simply set the timer and then click on either Start Heating or Start Ventilation. Then confirm the request by entering your S-PIN. This is to avoid unauthorized use. You can turn off auxiliary heating or ventilation at any time by clicking on the Stop Ventilation or Stop Heating button. You can also set regular departure times by clicking on the Plan button. To create a plan for a working week, you need to set the morning departure time to, let's say, 7 a.m. and time for the way back, let's say, 4 p.m. These two you can repeat every working day. On Friday after work, it's best to activate another plan, Monday, 7 a.m., basically to skip the weekend. Now select the plan you want to activate, tap on Save, and then confirm the request with your S-PIN. To allow notifications from auxiliary heater, click on More in the bottom menu bar. Then select Notifications. Click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner and select Notification Settings. Finally, choose Auxiliary Heater and tap to switch it on. From now on, you will receive a notification after each heating or ventilation, and by clicking on it, you will get back to your plans, where you can decide which departure time to activate next. We believe with auxiliary heater, you'll enjoy your new Škoda even more.
Škoda. Simply clever.